Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quarantine and clean. Why was I about to say chill? A quarantine and clean with me video here for you guys here on my channel. I feel like I'll probably do like a little series here since we're basically going to be stuck in the house. Basically just wanted to show you guys how I clean here at home, and I'm doing various parts of the house. So I'll be doing the bedroom, Pharaoh's like play stuff, the bathroom, all this stuff you guys are going to see here in this mini series here on my channel. So yeah, so first things first, I'm going to start here in my bedroom, and really this bedroom is going to take time. I'm not going to really like do so much at once, but you guys are going to see the progress throughout. But I just want to share with you guys what I'm going to be doing today, specifically as in, you know, cleaning the bedroom. So first things first, I'm going to start here in the bedroom, and I kind of already did like a little bit of cleaning. So as you guys see here, I kind of got rid of like my old bedding, and I have some new bedding that I'm gonna put here, and it's gonna be, I'm kind of like want more of the theme of like a white and gray aesthetic bedroom. So my favorite colors are neutrals and white and gray, so you guys are gonna see throughout time. And I basically kind of started already with like getting some artificial plants that I got here from Target, and which I do plan on getting some more. But yeah, so again, I'm just gonna really take time with this room. If you guys been seeing my videos in past or in recent, you guys would have saw how the bedroom used to be before. So I'll just go in detail certain here and there. I'm definitely going to be switching out with like some white curtains. I don't know if I want to do just white, or if I want to do white and gray, or if I want to do gray. I don't know. But the vision that I want to have in this room, like, I can't wait for you guys to see. The two small canvases, those are definitely going to go away. And I basically want to paint like this furnishing, that furnishing, and the dresser here white. For sure, but I'm not really too focused on the furnishings right now, which I said, like, again, it's going to take some time, some progress. So those will probably be the last that I'll probably focus on. So yeah, again, that is my vision for the room. I feel like the only odd spot that would probably be is like Pharaoh's little play bed, and since it's black, so, which I don't mind, because when he is in here with me, that's where he's at when he wants to sleep with me in the room. And with his playroom, I'm not really gonna switch it out. With already being a vlogger and stuff like that, like, some things I do keep private. So like Pharaoh's room, like, I definitely keep private and everything like that. And it's just like, you know, it's for, you know, my and my husband's like personal reasons. I've been asked, like, you know, why don't I not share like or show Pharaoh's like room or playroom? It's just as a vlogger, as a mom, you guys already see like our lives already, and I do want to keep certain things private, but those are already like clean and organized and stuff like that. So yeah, I feel like I vlog like parts of my life to you guys. I don't want to show as much. So yeah, so that's why I cannot wait to go ahead and get this room cleaned. I'm gonna also disinfect and clean everything, which I already done already. Like, so I've already been like cleaning and disinfecting, but I'm gonna redo it again. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this room a bit redecorated, guys.